Well, educating teenagers about healthy issues can be a little difficult, so why not meet them where they are, right on their cell phones? KTV's Katie Koppel shows us an app developed by college students at the University of Nebraska Omaha. It's tonight's Healthbeat 4.
This is Zoodemic, an app created by college students for kids and teens to learn all about important health topics.
I feel like a lot of the public health guidance out there is kind of geared towards more of a mature audience. So I think really trying to target the youth population, and especially in that vein as well, they're the next generation.
The app was created by students at the University of Nebraska Omaha in 2020 and 2021 to teach kids about the COVID-19 pandemic. Now Zoodemic 2.0 is bringing new health topics to the forefront.
So in the beginning, our levels had been kind of about, what are germs, how do germs spread, the ways to keep us safe from germs. But we're also really excited because now the modules or the levels that we're releasing are also about things like bird flu and things like measles, so the things that are really hot button topic for parents.
The game is simple. The user fights off germs while also answering health-related questions that pop up on the screen. The deeper you get into the game, the harder the questions appear, all in an effort to teach kids and teens in a way that interests them.
Zoodemic is a really great way to not only get accurate information, but also timely information that your kids can understand.
Public health, specifically as it relates to the Zoodemic game, I think it's actually at a very crucial turn in our society. And so I think, the more we can do to educate people in many different ways about the value of understanding disease or value of understanding how it spreads, I think those are very important parts of the equation.
Zoodemic, the game geared towards kids and teens, but available to play for all ages to learn.
And so it really is every facet of life. And so this app strives to kind of bring that into daily life in a more visible way.
In Omaha, Nebraska, Katie Koppel, KTIV News 4.
Now, the app is free to download, and as you heard Katie mention, anyone is available to use it. All you have to do is search Zoodemic in your phone's app store. Now, the app was actually created by those students who are part of the ATTIC from the University of Nebraska Omaha's College of Information Science and Technology Department. These students partner with area agencies, nonprofits, colleges, and medical centers to create apps, websites, and other technology tools that are used in real-world applications. So students with different backgrounds and studies all work together on a common goal to create outreach tools for various organizations and those groups. And so the ATTIC has actually been around for several decades on UNO's campus.
We started with building websites for nonprofits, actually doing contract work. Not many people were doing that. And then we got into building apps and visualizations.
Students collaborate on different areas through each project.
We are two very different degrees, but we both play very well to our strengths to determine, well, maybe he may not know how to go about it this way, so I take on that part of the project. Whereas I may not know how to code the back end very well, so he takes on that project, maybe he helps me out with that, and then I give him all the things he needs to best execute that part of the project.
A collaborative issue there, and resources. The students are currently working on several projects, they say, in the Omaha area and surrounding communities.